Well, hello everyone. So, yes, new camera again. I will link this camera in the description if you want to know what it is. I'll also add the name of the tripod I'm using and everything that goes with it. Now, you will be hearing our child playing over a distance of 20 meters or probably 80 foot social distancing done right, and you'll probably be hearing the dog going nuts because I throw rocks, and the neighbors got a new toy with an engine and it annoys me. However, today we are making hand sanitizer. My wife knows what's up, so what do we do?
When we cleaned the piece of ground for the new Victory Garden, we have an abundance of aloe vera plants on the property in itself, and quite a few of them came out when we cleared. When we cleaned that piece of ground, a lot of these plants came out. So I decided to save them. So basically all we're going to do today, I don't want to waste them. We have enough hand sanitizer in the house, but this is a good teaching moment. If you can get aloe vera at the store or things like that, it basically heals itself. So even if you just have the loose leaves, it will close itself up at the end and the gel inside will stay perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean the leaves today and scrape out the gel on the inside. Just put them in mason jars and mix it with your rowing alcohol, your bleach or whatever it is that you have for the sanitizer. Mixing it with the aloe vera is a good way to hydrate your hands, because obviously now with everybody washing their hands quite a bit, the bleach damages your skin and all things like that. So that is basically all that we're going to be doing for this video, is aloe vera hand sanitizer.
Okay, so while she was doing that, I was doing the whole attempt to make this work thing. And it's really easy. That was a dog. The gel inside, you probably can see that it's very easy to get to.
Basically what you do is you take a spoon and you...
This is for the peels, eh?
Yes. And then you just scoop it out. And there is your clean gel.
This is as close as you can get to filleting a fish and still be vegan, I'm guessing. Because it's basically the same thing. Let me just get this sharpie pointy thingies off. Just chop off the end, chop off the tip up to where it's actually thick and there is gel involved. Then you trim the edges off.
Like the edges.
And now I just need to move this. You can do, it's like cleaning a fish. Just get your knife in there. And then just follow along the back. And then you've got gel. So we'll be doing this for the next couple of minutes, and we'll get back to you as soon as this goes in there and that goes in there, and the mixing thing happens. So stay tuned. So, if you're having a tough time like me, pull it off. I just realized that as I did it, so that's fun. Let's carry on, shall we? Okay, so we are all done.
We had a bit of a situation.
I'm falling into the ground. Yeah, we finished cutting all of it out, and then went inside quickly to get the stick blender just to get this going properly and juice it up. And
the stick blender broke. And because we are in lockdown, we can't just go to the store and buy a new one. It's not an essential item, so they won't even let it go through the tills. So we've resorted to doing the hand mixer, the manual hand mixer.
But now, this isn't going too fantastically. So what we decided is to split this as is and mix. Actually, yes.
Split it into the 2 jars, mix the alcohol in to make it a bit more malleable, and then try and blend it again. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
And the ratio usually for the aloe vera to alcohol is, we've seen recipes that say 3:1, we've seen some that say 2:1, so we're just going for
basically
in the middle.
it boils down to whatever you prefer the finished product to be like. I just know that the CDC has a very specific amount. I think it is more than 21% alcohol or something like that.
More than 70% alcohol.
71% alcohol.
Oh, these things are actually still sealed. Open that
Something like that. So just make sure that if you want to get something that's CDC approved, go and check out what they want you to have. Pretty.
We are using a mix of alcohols and sanitizers and things that we could find. Now,
just so that
they're
it's
jacking up the prices so much. If you want to buy a hand sanitizer, then they are charging immense amounts for it.
Yes, they are ridiculous. I mean, small containers are going for well over 100 rands at the moment. Let's see.
A little better.
Okay, hold on to the bottle, please. It appears to be moving faster. There's some chunks left.
That's not too bad.
Not too bad. I think if we run over to my mother's house, I might find a stick blender or something similar there to use. Luckily, I can still run over to the mum's house.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Cool smell. But yes.
Okay, so that's basically how you make hand sanitizer from home.
And we are just storing it in the mason jars because all of my pump bottles is currently full.
So we've got new stock, and that should last us quite a while.
Mm-hmm.
Enough to give away to the parents.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's basically how you make hand sanitizer. And
if you can find the aloe vera.
if you can find the aloe vera. Yeah, that should be it.
And for about the first week before lockdown and the first week after lockdown started, you couldn't find any surgical spirits, any alcohol-based type of soap in the stores at all.
Yes,
so
we found these at an OK grocer. So if you are in SA and need to find something like this, go and check out an OK grocer. They normally have something that could work. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for sticking with us. Please let me know in the comments if this camera and the audio and everything works. Tell me what you think.
the name change.
Oh yes, there's a name change as well. So we've been contemplating this for a while now. We've had Cob House Homestead for about 2 years, roughly now, and we intended on building our house with cob. Now, if you don't know what cob is, it's a grass, sand, and clay mixture that hardens up really well and you can build with it. But the clay that we have here doesn't work for that. So our initial plan was to build a cob house. And that never happened. So we decided, seeing as people are sending us questions about the cob situation, we decided to go for a new name. So we've thought about this for quite some time, and we thought about changing this channel to the Bearded Hobby Homestead. It works.
You're bearded, I'm the hobbyist.
Yes, and for now that's going to be it. Yes, so keep that in mind. Next time you see a notification pop up, the Bearded Hobby Homestead. So
We'll
yeah,
obviously be changing the logo and everything of the channel. So
yes, so that's a change that's happening. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching, share our videos, like the videos, and please have a great and awesome and fantastic and blessed and fun day.
don't go crazy in quarantine. Bye.